What's going on, guys? Blended Tech here. In today's video, we will be unboxing the Razer Death Essential 2020. So this is just the box. On the front, it's much smaller than the Elite box. You're not getting as much. As you can see, there's the Razer logo right there. Pretty much looks identical to the Death V2 or the Death Elite, except for the box is quite smaller, and I believe the mouse is quite smaller actually. On the bottom, there you go. It just tells you what it's compatible with. It's compatible with pretty much any computer that has a USB port. It's Windows 7 and up compatible, so if you have anything lower than Windows 7, you won't be able to use this mouse. It says the Essential Gaming Mouse. Just tells you that it is 6400 DPI optical sensor. It also has pretty good ergonomic grip, and it has multi-award winning technology. These do last for 10 million clicks. You get 5 buttons in total, 2 side buttons, which is quite handy for gaming. All right, let's get into the unboxing. Well, that sucks. Sure. Ripped that off by accident. Okay. Okay, so it comes in this little baggie here. Kind of made out of like foam almost. Nope. We do have a pamphlet with it. And that's it, guys. There's nothing else in that box. Nothing else in there. So we will put that box to the side. Continue on with the review. You can see we get the Death Essential kind of pamphlet here that tells you what it is. Tells you what it comes with. Razer support, all that stuff. And it comes in multiple languages in the pamphlet. Okay, so the only other thing really in the box is these Razer stickers. This is not a chroma product, so you're going to get the green sticker, not the reflective sticker. Sadly, even though I do quite like this sticker. Alrighty, so now the mouse. Pretty cool. So, just in there. Packaged fairly well for a small box. But here's the mouse, guys. It's actually quite big. Fits my hand nearly perfectly. You can do both palm and claw grips with this.
The mouse is also not ambidextrous.
The buttons sound great. Padding on the bottom looks pretty good. And you also get a cable tie for the cables and a USB cover for it. You also get the green inside, which is pretty cool. I like that on all Razer products, like my Synosa Chroma that I will also do a review on fairly soon. So yeah, this mouse looks very good for the price. You don't get chroma with it, so it's not going to be able to sync up with your other products. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I think this is a great mouse, and there's not much issues with it. We're going to plug it in now and see if it really works. And there you go. Lights up, green. You get a very long cable with it. I don't know how long it is. It's probably about 6 feet. It's probably about 6 feet, I'd say. Yeah, it only stays the color green, which doesn't bother me. I think that looks amazing because you also get it up here, and this is a pretty big scroll wheel, guys. Like if you wanted to compare it to a different mouse, here we'll just compare it to this terrible mouse. it's quite big. It's like a medium-sized mouse.
Thanks guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for 25 subscribers. We're almost at 30. I think right now it's at 29. So one more subscriber, guys, and we'll be at 30. Make sure you like the video and subscribe with post notifications turned on so you never miss a future video. Have a great day.